Well, we got our X1C. This is first print. You know, I don't do the benchy, so we're going for this phone case by Cherry Labs. See how that works out. I like the light. That's kind of cool. Waiting to see what it's going to do. This thing makes a lot of weird noises, so I'm kind of confused. None of the videos on YouTube show quite as much sounds. So it is auto bed leveling. I wonder if this has to do it for every print. It looks like it's a 6-grid calibration. It's a good Christmas picture for Bambu. Hit the Christmas tree in the background. So while we're waiting on that, we got the tier time going. And my OG Upbox Plus, we converted this today to a Anycubic cure station. So we have tons more room for bigger pieces for our resin. And it, looks like just a normal printer hanging out. So let's see where we're at over here. I guess I should have did this after the bed level. It's a long video, 2 minutes. See, some weird sounds, man, going on. I don't know if that's normal, but hopefully it's not. Hopefully it is, actually, right? All right. Still bed leveling. It's kind of weird. Hope this isn't the print. See that little bit of stuff. So we are using the PLA Basic. So this will be my official first print with PLA. I have never printed PLA. I'm not a big fan of it. Usually I print in ABS. So we'll see how this turns out. I didn't really clean the nozzle tip because it says we cleaned the nozzle tip, but as you can see,